Welcome to the Starting a Small Business Guide. My name is Vicky Heredia, and I'm a business advisor at the London Small Business Center. We recommend that upon completion of viewing this video, to book a consultation with a business advisor by filling in the request for service form on our website, www.sbcenter.ca. Kindly note that all consultations are free of charge. With that said, the first thing you may want to consider before venturing into your business idea is to conduct market research. The main objective of market research is to understand the customer and determine whether enough demand exists for a successful business venture. You may want to ask, who are potential customers? Are they interested in the product or service you offer? Who is the most likely to purchase it? Are they willing to pay for it? What are the current and future market trends? Will the demand be sufficient to sustain the business? The market research process includes primary market research and secondary market research. Primary market research is using data collected through surveys, observation, and opinion polls. Secondary market research is using data that already exists. Next, it is very important to create a business plan. A solid business plan is a roadmap for your business. It shows where you're going and how you will get there. Writing a business plan helps you understand your capabilities and business needs so you can prepare, focus, and set goals, particularly financial goals. If you're applying for financing, a strong business plan demonstrates to lenders that you have done your research and you can demonstrate how your financial goals will be met. You can sign up for a business planning guide workshop through our website, www.sbcenter.ca. Next, you need to create a business marketing plan. A marketing plan details the strategies that will be used to target and promote your business to potential customers. Target market. Find a niche or target markets for your product and describe them. Product. Describe your product. How does your product relate to the market? What does your market need? What do they currently use? What do they need above and beyond current use? Competition. Describe your competition and develop your value proposition. What makes you stand apart from your competition? What makes you so different and unique? What is your competition doing about branding? Marketing strategies. Outline the marketing and promotion strategies you plan to use. Are you going to be using advertising by print media and directories? Are you going to be using direct marketing through sales letters, brochures, flyers? Are you going to be using trade shows, events, and conferences, website, and social media? Pricing, positioning, and branding. For information you have collected, establish strategies for determining the price of your product, where your product will be positioned in the market, and how you will achieve brand awareness. Budget. Budget your dollars. What strategies can you afford? What can you do in-house? And what do you need to outsource? Marketing goals. Establish quantifiable marketing goals. This means goals that you can turn into numbers. For instance, your goals might be to gain at least 30 new clients, or to sell 10 products per week, or to increase your income by 30% this year. Your goals might include sales, profits, or even customer satisfaction. By researching your markets, your competition, and determining your unique positioning, you are in a much better position to promote and sell your product or service. By establishing goals for your marketing campaign, you can better understand whether or not your efforts are generating results through ongoing review and evaluation of the results. We also have a list of Advanced Business Series seminars that you can sign up for. It will be very helpful when it comes to your marketing. Again, they're listed on our website. Next, secure your financing. Business funds can be obtained from various private financial institutions, including banks, credit unions, and other private lenders or financing programs. The following questions can help you to identify the right type of financing for your venture. What do I need the funding for? How much of my own money am I investing? What financing options are available to me already? Where is my business now on its planned growth trajectory? For additional financing programs available at the center, you may want to contact us by filling in the request for service form on our website. Choose a business structure. There are three main types of business structures. It's the sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. Each structure has its own legal, tax implications and certain advantages and disadvantages. To decide on the structure that best suits the needs of your business, you can consult with a business advisor at our center or also by visiting the Government of Canada's website. Registering your business. Businesses that operate under a name other than the owners need to register in person or online. For sole proprietor and partnerships, it's $60. The registration is valid for 5 years and must be renewed before it expires. This is available through the Service Ontario website. Business name searches can be conducted for a fee of $8 to $26, depending on the type of report you're looking for. Business incorporation. For a provincial incorporation, to register as a provincial incorporation, businesses need to complete a nuance name search to determine if the name is available. The nuance report is omitted for businesses wishing to operate under a numbered company. Articles of incorporation must be filed within 90 days of completing the name search. The articles of incorporation can be filed at the Ministry of Government Services for a cost of $360. For federal incorporation, this provides name rights across Canada. So it's basically important for companies considering the expansion of their business to other provinces and territories. Again, the completion of a nuance name search is required to federally incorporate the business along with the articles of incorporation. For a not-for-profit incorporation, when incorporating your not-for-profit business in Ontario, articles of incorporation can be filed at the Ministry of Government and Consumer Services. Websites are provided below. Choose your business location. Municipalities often place zoning restrictions on the location of certain types of businesses. Prior to leasing or purchasing a property, it is advisable to determine that the contemplated business use is permitted on that property. Furthermore, also remember that new construction and alterations to buildings often require a building permit. For those thinking about opening a home-based business, home insurance usually does not cover business equipment, inventory, or business liability. So you may want to contact your current insurance provider. Tax deductions. Based on the square footage used for the business, you may be liable for tax deductions. There are other bylaws and regulations regarding home-based businesses, and You can visit the www.london.ca website to get more information. Next, apply for a business license. Municipal licenses. Within London, licenses are required for many types of businesses. Municipal licensing requirements may differ outside London, so it's advisable to contact the municipality where you're doing business. Provincial licenses. The province oversees licensing in many areas such as drug, forestry, motor vehicle, real estate, travel, daycare, liquor sales, gas stations, and transportation, including WSIB if you're planning on hiring. Federal licenses. A few types of businesses do require federal licensing in order to start a business in London. You can find online permits and licenses available on BizBall. Determining tax requirements. Canada Revenue Agency is the office responsible for taxation issues for individuals and businesses. Canada Revenue Agency issues a business number, which is a referencing number system covering 4 business accounts: GST, HST, importer, exporter account, corporate income tax, payroll deductions. GST, HST. Businesses with gross annual sales of $30,000 or more are required to register for HST and remit it to the Canada Revenue Agency. There is no charge for this application. Businesses that have gross annual revenue of under $30,000 are not required to register for HST and therefore do not need to charge their clients the HST tax. Importer-exporter account. Canadian individuals, businesses, non-residents, or foreign-based importers are required to obtain this number. Corporate income tax. When you incorporate with the Government of Ontario, you are automatically registered for a business number and a corporation income tax program account. You should receive your BN number within 45 days of incorporation. Payroll deductions. Deductions include Canada Pension Plan, employment insurance, and employee income tax deductions. Canada Revenue Agency also has other useful information on their website that includes individual and business taxation, taxable benefits and allowances, business and professional income, HST registration, payroll, and more. For additional guidance, inquiries, or advice, please don't hesitate to schedule a meeting with a business advisor by completing the request for service form on our website, www.sbcenter.ca. Please remember that consultations are free of charge. Thank you and have a nice day.